Hello everyone. This project is created as part of International Teacher Training Program in Python using PictoBlox. In this project, I have developed a friends list manager using arrays and functions. This project uses two sprites, Tobi, who handles input and output, and Parrot, who gives instructions to the user. The program allows user to press A to add a new friend to the list, press B to search for a friend's name, press D to delete a friend, press S to show all, and press E to exit the session. These operations are all written as a function and the data is stored in an array. I have initialized an empty list called friends. Each function like add friend, delete friend, save friend, and search friend performs a specific task. The program runs inside a while loop. Let me show you how this works. I press A and Toby asks for the name. I add friend 1 and now I'm adding friend 2 by pressing A. Like this I will add friend 3 and friend 4. When I press yes, Toby says the updated friends list. Then pressing B allows me to search for a friend's name. If I press D, I can delete a name. E exits the program with a message. Thank you.